This is the iTel S23 Plus, a highly affordable smartphone with premium features. The iTel S23 Plus is by far iTel's major release in the premium smartphone category. It comes with a 6.78 AMOLED curved display, a 50 megapixel dual camera on the back, and a 32 megapixel front camera. It has a 1080p resolution, which is good enough to enjoy your movies and videos. The iTel S23 Plus has volume up and volume down buttons on the side and also a power button. It has a Type-C port on the bottom of the phone with a SIM tray and audio speakers. I realized that this phone has no jack port, which is pretty normal for newer phones. You can connect your earphones using Type-C or preferably Bluetooth if you have earbuds or anything like that. The iTel S23 Plus comes with up to 256 gig disk space and then up to 16 gig RAM. The octa-core CPU in this iTel S23 Plus and its 16 gig RAM makes gameplay smooth and enjoyable without sudden lags and shutdowns. To test the camera, I paired it up with the iPhone 13 to film a few outdoor scenes. I'll let you guess which of these footages comes from the iPhone 13 and which of them comes from the iTel S23 Plus. Let's go. B is the iPhone 13 and A is the iTel S23 Plus. If you got it right, let me know in the comment section. This is a budget-friendly phone selling around $150 or its equivalent in Ghana cedis. That's somewhere around 1,750 cedis or 1,800 cedis. Overall, this is a great smartphone which will give you all the premium features you need in one bundle. The iTel S23 Plus is a good choice for anyone who's looking to upgrade to a premium smartphone but also considering budget. Now, with the downside, I personally think they could have done so much with the camera. This camera over here films up to 1080 pixel at 30 frames per second, which is pretty low compared to its competitors. At least it could have done 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second to enable you film in slow-mo. They could have even improved it to give you at least 4K on the recording, but it's not that bad. You can still use it to film content, use it to take pictures and stuff like that. Although it's a great smartphone compared to its predecessors, I still think it doesn't do well in low lighting. Meaning if you film at night, for example, you realize that there's some sort of noise in it. But because it goes up to 1.6 aperture, of course you can add a few more lights in there and then you get great pictures. All in all, the iTel S23 Plus is a great smartphone to have. Kindly subscribe to this channel and of course like this video. If you have any questions, kindly leave them in the comment section. My name is Alfred and I'll see you in another video. Bye.